With COVID and everything that's going on, I've had to work from home from my awesome laptop's webcam. That all changes due to a purchase of a Logitech Brio, which I'll be doing a quick review on today. Let's get started. With webcam prices being super high, we had to exercise a little patience. Most vendors were selling a Brio for $400, and we got ours for $289.99. Let's take a look-see. Okay, here we go, the camera. Very important part, of course. Looks like you can, yep, lengthen it. That's nice. Maybe, oh. Well, looks like this part also. Aha! This part moves too. Little bottom. Cool. Alright, next part. So, okay, USB cables, USB-A and USB-C. And this one is, I believe it's 6 feet. That's right. And then, of course, there's a bunch of manuals in there, of course. And then there's this soft thing. It's just a little to-go bag. Okay guys, I'm gonna plug it in. Let's see how much better quality it is. Keep in mind that a 3.0 USB is required for 4K 30, while a 2.0 would give you a resolution of 1080p, so it would drop down significantly. As you can see, the quality is a lot better. So let's switch to the Logitech camera settings app to see what options they give us. Within Logitech settings app, you have the option of having different fields of view. So this one, for instance, is, let's see, it's 65 degrees. Now I'm going to change it to 78. This is 78. And then we have finally 90. And this is the standard screen. You also have the option of having a wide screen, so let me show you that. And there we go. That's the wide screen. Goodness, I already am falling in love with this camera. So let's go to the advanced settings. You can change brightness, contrast. Let's see, there's autofocus, so if you undo that, let's see, I want to show you. Oh, right. There we go. Oh, it's all blurry. So that could be a cool special effect. I'm having trouble putting it back. Let's see, there we go. What was I saying? All right, they have, what does that say? Oh, color intensity and auto white balance. Okay, cool. And these are the advanced settings. Oh, and then also you can restore to defaults if you make a boo-boo and you don't know what you're doing. Kind of helps to have that option. And then you can zoom 5 times, but keep in mind that it's a digital zoom, so then there could be all this noise that you don't really want. I like this upgrade a lot. I can't wait to figure out what I'm gonna do with the different colors and experiment and see what looks good. So if you're waiting for the price to drop, don't. Pull a Nike and just do it. And thank you for watching. This has been Tracy with VainSoftGames. If you like what you saw, you can like or leave a comment. If you'd like to help support our channel, you can do so by heading over to our Patreon, and don't forget to subscribe and you click that bell. Until next time.